Have you ever tried something that everyone else seemed to handle so perfectly, but for you, it was a total disaster? Yes, that was my first and my last experience using a tampon, and here is why I will never ever use it again. Today, I'm going to share my raw and honest truth about why I stopped using tampons after the first or the second try. And trust me, if you have never ever used tampons or menstrual cups before, you would definitely want to hear this if you're trying it for yourself, or if you're feeling pressure to try them. So let's rewind a bit. I was in my college and everybody around me, they were using tampons or menstrual cup, and they were like, oh, you're still using pads, it's not good for the environment, blah 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 blah, you should use cups, you should use menstrual cup, blah blah blah, blah. And I thought, you know what, it's not going to be that bad, it's not going to be that hard, let me just give it a shot. What's the worst could happen? Spoiler alert, it was horrible. So I finally borrowed one tampon from my batchmate, went to the bathroom, and I was like, okay, you know what, I got this, it's not going to be that hard, I can easily do it. Okay, I couldn't insert it. I just couldn't insert it, and I tried everything possible. I was being gentle towards myself, I was relaxing, I was doing breathing in and out because I was so anxious, and I had to relax, because if I won't relax, my vagina won't relax, and if my vagina won't relax, it just won't go in. And I, at that point, I didn't understand why I was freaking so much. But then later on, years later, I realized that I had a condition called as vaginismus, and those who don't know about it, it's basically the fear of anything going near your vagina. It could be a tampon, it could be a menstrual cup, it could also be intercourse. And now that I think about it, me freaking out, me getting anxious was for the right reason, of course. At that moment, I felt so embarrassed because I had no idea what was happening. I felt awkward. I was like, why is this not happening? Everybody could easily do it. Why I couldn't do it? And then the real awkward part happened. My friend, bless her heart, bless her soul, she volunteered to help me in. And oh my god, even though I love her for that, it was so embarrassing. I mean, nothing, no embarrassing and awkward moment could top this. Oh my god, but she did her best to help, and the tampon was finally in. It was inserted properly at the right place, but even after that, I felt constantly, I felt that something was in me, like walking, sitting, I could feel that there is something in me, and the pain and the discomfort, it was unbearable. Like I couldn't, like that pain, even when I think about it now, it gives me PTSD. I couldn't take it anymore, and I finally ended up taking the tampon out, and oh my god, guys, oh my god, the pain for days, it was unbearable. I was walking, I was sitting, whatever I was doing, I could feel that pain. I even remember saying this to myself that, I think I just lost my virginity to a tampon. I mean, I'm not even exaggerating. The pain was that bad. And before you guys come at me and say,
oh, the size was not right, you did not insert it properly.
Trust me, the size was perfect, and I did insert it properly. It was years later, I thought, what, it might just be a bad first experience, let me just try again. And there were people around who used to always tell, what, menstrual cups and tampons, they're so good for the environment. And kudos to people who can wear it, who can insert it properly and wear it. But for some of us, it's just not it. And again, I tried it again and again. I was like, even though this time I was better at it, I couldn't. I felt that discomfort. Even trying the smallest size, I felt that discomfort. I felt that a bit of uneasiness, and I was like, what, it's just not for me. At that point, a realization hit me. I felt like, why should I be the one to sacrifice my comfort for the sake of environment? I mean, don't get me wrong, if you're able to use tampons and menstrual cup, that's amazing. I mean, that's really great. But there are people like us, who, despite trying it again and again, can't use it. And I know pads are uncomfortable, but it's nowhere to the discomfort I felt while using tampons. There are so many women I spoke to who tried using cups and tampons and they couldn't make it work. And to be honest, that's okay, that's totally fine. There is this weird pressure from some people, not everyone, as I said, there is this weird pressure that, people say that, oh, it's not cool if you're using pads. But to be honest, it all depends on each person's comfort, and do what works the best for you. So So, what's the key takeaway here? Don't give into peer pressure. Don't let people make you feel bad for not using something that you're not comfortable with. At the end of the day, it's your body and you get to decide what works the best for you. Whether it is using tampons, whether it is using menstrual cups, pads, or even free bleeding, if that's your thing, no judgment. You do you. And if you're like me and you have struggled to use tampons or menstrual cup, don't worry, you're not alone and there is no shame in it. Okay, please, please, please don't endure pain just to fit in. Let me know in the comments if you had a similar experience or if you prefer using tampons and menstrual cup. I would love to hear your thoughts. And if you're somebody like me who've gone through this whole vaginismus thing, please know that it's absolutely normal and there is nothing wrong with you. It is just a part of who you are and you have to embrace it proudly. So that was about it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and also share this video with someone who's going through a similar thing. Let's get this conversation going and help each other out. And if you're not following me on Instagram,
First of all, why are you not following me on Instagram? Please do follow me on Instagram.
I've linked my profile below in the description. I create a lot of relatable humorous content. It's different from what I post on YouTube and I'm pretty sure you guys are going to enjoy it. So please do follow me there. And yes, see you all in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. Mwah.